LangChain Azure Dynamic Sessions. Azure Functions. Entry point for user requests, orchestrates processing. Azure Cosmos DB. Data, read, retrieve session data. Azure OpenAI Service. Data, send, send prompts. Azure Cosmos DB. Data, write, update session data. User, data, send, send response. Azure Cosmos DB. Database for storing and managing session data. Azure Functions. Data, send, provide session data. Azure Functions. Data, receive, receive updated session data. Azure OpenAI Service. Provides language model capabilities. Azure Functions. Data, receive, receive prompts. Azure Functions. Data, send, send responses. LangChain Azure Dynamic Sessions. Tools. A collection of tools that provide various functionalities. Sessions. Data flow. Provides input to tool outputs. Azure Cognitive Services. Data flow. Users. Text, image, audio, video. Sessions. Manages session data and interactions. Tools. Data flow. Receives input from tool outputs. Remote file metadata. Data flow. Provides input to session-related information. Azure OpenAI Service. Data flow. Users. Session context. Remote file metadata. Handles information about remote files. Sessions. Data flow. Receives input from session-related information. Azure Blob Storage. Data flow. Users. File metadata. Azure Cognitive Services. Provides various cognitive services, including text, image, audio, and video processing. Tools. Data flow. Used by text, image, audio, video. Text, image, audio, video. Data flow. Processes. Data. Azure OpenAI Service. Provides access to OpenAI language models. Sessions. Data flow. Used by session context. LLM models. Data flow. Users. Language models. Text, image, audio, video. Data flow. Generates text, image, audio, video. Azure Blob Storage. Provides cloud storage for files. Remote file metadata. Data flow. Used by file metadata. Files. Data flow. Stores files. Text, image, audio, video. Represents various types of data. Azure Cognitive Services. Data flow. Processed by data. Azure OpenAI Service. Data flow. Processed by data. LLM models. Language models used for text generation, translation, summarization, and other language-related tasks. Azure OpenAI Service. Data flow. Used by language models. Text, image, audio, video. Data flow. Generates text, image, audio, video. Files. Represents various types of files. Azure Blob Storage. Data flow. Stored in files. LangChain Azure Dynamic Sessions. Sessions tool. Provides a user interface or command line interface for interacting with the system session. Management capabilities. Azure Dynamic Sessions. Request. Sends requests for session creation, retrieval, and management to the Azure Dynamic Sessions component. Sessions Python REPL tool. Provides a Python REPL read eval print loop environment for working with the system session. Management capabilities. Azure Blob Storage. Data storage. Stores session data, potentially including code, context, and results, in Azure Blob Storage. Azure Dynamic Sessions. Manages the lifecycle of user sessions, including creation, activation, deactivation, and termination. Azure Functions. Request triggers Azure Functions to execute tasks related to session management, potentially using serverless computing. Azure Blob Storage stores session data, potentially including code, context, and results. Azure Cognitive Services. Data transfer provides session data as input to Azure Cognitive Services for analysis or processing. Azure Cognitive Services offers a range of AI and cognitive services, potentially used for tasks like natural language processing, image recognition, or data analysis. Azure SQL Database. Data storage stores results or insights generated by Azure Cognitive Services in Azure SQL Database. Azure Functions provides a serverless environment for executing code related to session management, potentially triggered by requests from Azure Dynamic Sessions. Azure Key Vault. Secure access accesses secrets or credentials stored securely in Azure Key Vault, potentially for authentication or authorization. Azure SQL Database stores structured data related to sessions, potentially including user information, session metadata, and results. Azure Active Directory. Authentication authenticates users against Azure Active Directory for access control and security. Azure Key Vault securely stores secrets or credentials used by the system, potentially for authentication, authorization, or accessing sensitive data. Azure Monitor. Monitoring provides data and metrics to Azure Monitor for monitoring system health and performance. Azure Active Directory manages user identities and provides authentication and authorization services. Azure Event Hubs. Event streaming publishes events related to session management to Azure Event Hubs for real-time processing or alerting. Azure Monitor collects and analyzes data for monitoring system health, performance, and security. Azure Application Insights. Telemetry provides telemetry data to Azure Application Insights for performance monitoring and troubleshooting. Azure Event Hubs provides a platform for real-time streaming of events related to session management, potentially used for alerting or trigger downstream actions. Azure Application Insights. Telemetry provides telemetry data to Azure Application Insights for performance monitoring and troubleshooting. Azure Application Insights provides a platform for monitoring, analyzing, and troubleshooting the system's performance and behavior.